Hi, my name is Nir and I'm going to present to you what I've learned today from the Google Live show in Paris. And I'm actually going to do that in order to express myself more, to be more confident of delivering content in English, because this is not my native language, although I can speak English very well. So the journey actually starts when I have a YouTube video and I have a blog. If you want to see more, this is like myname.com, nirsharabi.com, Nirsharabi. If you want to learn more, if you want to get inside my list, even if this is still in Hebrew, this will be probably updated. Go and check, nirsharabi.com. So what I'm going to talk about today is actually what I saw in the presentation. It was in the afternoon, and like when I say weather, it's like how they present the information. Because I didn't talk about ChatGPT, as all kind of news just talked about like Google is going to present what they have against ChatGPT, but what they were is like they want to be leaders, so they don't talk too much of the other things, rather than say how they're going to innovate in the field of search and how people use technology and AI and also AR, like augmented reality, and incorporate this into Google products and to be innovative. And let's just look what they told. Probably, I mean, I kind of like it that they didn't like go to a war and say we're going to be better. And I'm going to start with a story. Actually, let's say you I tried to find Summery after that. I didn't think that I'm going to do a video while I was listening, so I didn't take notes about this, but I'll just give you what I've read since. And everybody's talking about the ChatGPT and Google. It will be in the next slide, but they started, it was for me kind of surprising that they started talking about lens, something like that, and kind of thing that you can do with camera and AR and augmented reality. Let's say you walk on down the street and you see in some store a table, or maybe they saw they gave an example of a couch, like a chair, and let's say it's in yellow, and you want to picture this, or put it inside in the view of your camera and say, I want something like this but in red, and the Google search, it can give you this kind of things, right? This kind of similar things, but it's also a link to a product you can buy, right? So think about the effect it can have on how can Google own people if they have. It's not just the technology, it's like how can we use this with our products in order for you to have a better experience with things you want to do in life. In marketing, it's like jobs to be done, if you know what I mean. Because during the event, it was kind of awkward to see. I don't know if awkward is the right word for what I want to say, but it's like, I think that they started more with like, this is what we have, rather than telling the story. After that, they did another thing that was better, because there was a woman. She went outside, like they actually show on the screen that she's on the street, and she talked. She said, I wanna street. I wanna go into a coffee shop, but I don't know who is open. I don't know how much rating does it have. I want to know where should I spend my time, because I'm traveling like 3 days in Paris, and I want to be picky about where I spend my time. So she just took the phone, and it's like annotated inside like the view. Like think about you are now recording in video the street. I don't think she pressed record, but she showed the view, and then it has all kind of annotation about places around them, and she can press on that and it can open up and say the name, if it's open, if it's crowded. You can see all kind of recommendations and stuff. So it's kind of amazing to think about the possibilities of what they can do. And in the middle, they went and talked about Bard, and how they are going to put the language models, and I don't think they use too much the word GPT or chat GPT, but they just show what they think you should do with this kind of tool inside of Google search. But it wasn't like they didn't take it to this is the big thing. I mean, everything is a big thing, but this is one of the things. Like they branded, I think, like we have like 3 or 4 case studies to show you how we are going to solve problems in your life. And this is Google, and they know how to do the research. So it's a really matter of what jobs you want to be done and when will do it the best. And this is another thing that like you can search with live views. This is kind of what I told you before about the woman with going outside with the map, with the street, and she can actually see all kind of things about the businesses she walk around. It's kind of impressive to think what you can do about this. And how can businesses like offer people like that all kind of discounts and all kind of, if you think about it as a marketing funnel, it's like an amazing tool to use. So what's next? So I'm happy that I did the recording. Actually, I don't have the time if it's like 7 minutes or 10 minutes or more, but please, if you wanna, like, if you just, I don't know if it's inspired, but if you're here still in the end of this video, maybe just, I don't know, raise your hand, write something to me, go to my website and register, or tell me in YouTube. I'm probably gonna add some notes inside the video, and I will make updates inside the notes, so you will know what's going on with me and if it's something interesting that I'm doing. But check things out, like tell me that it was fine, tell me like do more, just because you want to push some friend that you heard something, because I want to publish more videos like this. So what you can do now is share with me what's in your mind in the comments on my website, and maybe tell a friend what you just saw. I'll see you in the next videos. I'm Nir, so have a good day. Bye bye.